What's up guys, welcome to another episode on Camping Coast channel. In today's show we are going towards Chandubi lake and currently we are en route.
In search of places beyond the paved roads, we started overlanding, and the ability to go anywhere on land was liberating. However, the ability to go anywhere on water opens up a whole new world for exploration, and today we are heading to the lake to do just that.
We are 23 kilometers away from Chandubi lake right now.
A scenic drive through these tea estates and forest will lead you up to the Chandubi lake in 1.5 hours time from Guwahati city. Located at the foot of Garo Hills, this lake is surrounded by both Assam and Meghalaya, and apart from the natural scenic beauties is also a great place for bird watching.
So guys, we have reached Chandubi lake and we are currently filling up the kayak with the air so that we can hit the lake, and let's go. Oh, मेरा कुकुर इतना गंदा हो रहा है.
Oh shit, dude. Oh, no,
Damn, Dandy is enjoying the outdoors.
The best thing about, I think, having your own overlanding rig and kayak is that
You can
sky's the limit.
Yeah, you can do whatever the hell you want with your own time
Yeah,
and enjoy the outdoors in the...
At this point, we had no idea that we were being followed by something in the water. It became apparent what it was as we turned our kayak around to return back.
Guys. I don't know if it's getting recorded. I'm too Hi, baby. Update on this boat. Dance is also with her. She
Good job.
swam across.
Good job, Danny.
There are a lot of lotuses in this. Oh, moon is here. Look at the moon.
With views like that, जाने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, but it's time to go.
ओ ये इसका भी निकालना है.
भाई जब हवा भरा रहता तब उतना भारी नहीं रहता, हवा निकाल दो तो बहुत भारी रहती है.
14 किलो है ना इसका वेट.
I've not seen myself like this.